What's up, guys? Iki is very happy with garden bed project. Turns very nice. So I started late. I have okra, three different types of. I'm not sure types. Correct me, my English. Yeah, let's say types of the cucumbers. There is maybe pumpkin. Here is another one. Some grass going also. Here's another one because last year I just dumped a lot of old pumpkins from the Halloween decoration and some this stuff. Not sure what it is. Now, what I'm really happy about that barrel with insert empty space. I just rescue this guy, and I put couple of different whatever flowers. So I have parsley, cilantro, that's monster, and some pepper going. But I'll take it inside the house on our sunny side, which is this way, pretty much from 10 till 5, 6 p.m. Depends on day. So here you go. Again, not sure. I think it's pumpkins. We'll see soon. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.